Hi everyone, my name is Ashika Dharia and welcome to another video. Today we are diving deep into Adobe Firefly, one of the most powerful AI tools by Adobe. I can't wait to show you all how many things you can actually do in this one particular tool. Like there are so many things you can actually do in Adobe Firefly, okay? Before we get into this video, I would really recommend that if you have any problems with Adobe Firefly or you don't have account or anything, that's completely fine. You don't need any sort of experience or anything to use this kind of tools because it's AI tool. So without delaying, let's get into the video and explore all the possibilities which we can have and all the work which we can do in this particular tool. Okay, you just have to open your browser. Okay, first link. Right, I'm just gonna select on first link, and as we are here already, now you just have to do sign in if you have account. Good. If you don't have an account, that's also fine. You can create one account and then you can do it. If you don't have a paid account, that's fine. If you have a free account, that's fine as well. Okay, the only difference is that for the paid account, you can actually have access to unlimited things, and for the free account, you will be restricted to use some of the other tools or some of the other features. Okay, so I do have a paid account, and I'm just gonna quickly sign in. So as you can see, we are here already. This is the home page of Adobe Firefly and there are so many things going on. Okay, I really want to quickly go through everything which is going on in here for you so that you can understand what exactly we are into. Okay, so on the left hand side on top, as you can see, we have an option called new, and when I select, you can see we have so many things in here. We have images, videos, vector, audio, we have boards over here, so you can actually create boards in Adobe Firefly as well. We will go through that, so don't worry about that. And then we have production, then we have quick action, then we have your stuff, gallery, everything. Okay, so first let's go to generate. Okay, let's select generate and see what all stuff we have in here. Okay, and here we have a prompt box in the middle where you actually have to write a prompt. Below you have all the categories and options and whatever you want to select. Things you have to select. Okay, we have images and videos, whatever you want to create, you can select it. Then we have Adobe models over here. So I am actually selected Adobe Firefly image 5. Then we have GPT images, we have Gemini, we have Flux, we have a lot of things. Okay, we have ideogram as well, which is also very good. We have runway gen for image generation as well, so you can select anything you want and it's gonna give you results as per that. Okay, then we have a ratio over here. Ratio as in size, as in sizes. Okay, so what are sizes you want? Like you want rectangle, you want wide angle, you want portrait, whatever you want, square, you can just select it from here. Then we have a more option over here, and when you select the more option, you think panel. Okay, as you can see, there are so many things over here. In the left hand side, we have resolution, we have sizes and everything, and we also have reference image. You have to upload like your reference image. If you want to create something as per that, then you just have to upload the reference image. You just have to write a simple prompt that is going to create it for you as per your reference image. Then we have a gallery over here. Okay, gallery is for, I think, people who are actually struggling with writing prompts. They don't know how to do this thing at all. So just go to gallery and you can see all the images over here which is being submitted by people. Okay, this is like a community thing where everything where people have submitted their images which they have generated in Adobe Firefly. And you can see, for example, if you want an image like, so what you have to do is that if you want to see the kind of prompts they have used, these people have used, all you have to do is that just select any image. For example, okay, let me select one image. For example, this dog image. Okay, it seems very cute to me. So I'm just gonna select view on it. Okay, and as you can see, it's open in here, and you can see the prompt in the bottom, right? Can you see the prompt in the bottom? Right, so you can just tweak this prompt and you can write as per your prompt. You can also edit this particular image as well if you want to do some additional stuff, or you want to create the entire different image by using this image. Okay, so that's also something you can do, and it's actually very easy to do that. So if you are someone who is struggling with writing prompt and don't know how to write a prompt, you can also take a help from ChatGPT. You can actually tell ChatGPT to give you some prompt ideas, and it's gonna give you some prompt ideas for Adobe Firefly, and you can apply these prompts, and you can actually apply these prompts over here and generate images. Okay, so it's that easy, not that hard. Then we have a edit option over here. So here you can actually edit the images which you have generated. You can do a lot of things. On the left hand side, as you can see, we have generative field. You can add something additional stuff. We have generative remove. You can remove something. You can expand your images for sure. Sorry, you can actually upscale your images as well in terms of quality. And you can also remove background. The most important thing, you can do this over here by just one click. Okay, so it's that easy. So it's not at all hard. And I think let's generate some images in here. Okay, so 1 second. So I'm actually going to use a very, very simple prompt over here. I don't want to use very hard or very, very difficult kind of prompts. I don't want to use that. So I have applied my prompt, and I think in terms of partner model, I would go for, I think, Gemini 3.1. I'm just gonna select like Gemini 3.1. This is a prompt I have over here. So it says like a giant glowing jellyfish floating about a futuristic city at night, neon lighting reflecting on wet streets. Okay, ultra realistic cinematic lighting, 8K dramatic shadow, and cyberpunk style. Okay, right, and I'm just gonna select generate. Let's see the kind of results we get for this one. I think the best part about Adobe Firefly is that you can actually have different models over here. You know, like Runway, you can use Gemini. That's amazing. Can you see this? I got the result in here. I love it. This is amazing. Wow. I love it. Let me download this picture and show it to you guys. It's actually not visible in here properly. So, okay, first of all, this looks like a movie poster. Banners, the kind of lighting and everything. You see the arcade and everything, all the spellings and everything. It's looking amazing. I think in terms of image quality, I think we can actually upscale it more. But I would say it's looking futuristic. As you can see, there's one person who is standing over here and looking at jellyfish and just taking a view. It is amazing. It's looking very, very powerful and amazing. So I really like it. Let's try something different in here. So I'm writing actually a different prompt over here, and let's go for GPT image 1.5. And I'm actually using a different prompt right now. So it's like a cinematic movie poster of a lawn warrior standing in a desert storm. And let's see the kind of results we get for this one. I'm waiting. Oh my goodness. Can you see this? I love it, man. I mean, let me just open it in a full screen. Wow. Can you see this? Oh my God. A movie opening scene where the hero is actually entering the scene. So you can actually see this is actually amazing. I can use this for posters. I can upscale this image and increase the quality of this image, but I love it. I'm not disappointed at all. Amazing in terms of generating images. It actually gets your prompt. I just want a one letter and I want an effect on that letter. Okay. So what kind of prompt I have used is that like R, which is like a letter and made of red roses, highly detailed, vibrant, realistic with amazing background. Okay. I'm really loving the results of GPT 1.5. So I'm gonna use that. And now I'm gonna hit generate. Let's see the kind of result we get for this one. Really impressed with Adobe Firefly, I would say. Wow. Okay, let me show you this image, guys. It's actually, I think sunset is going on in the background, and the flowers. I think the roses. I think the roses are in the left hand side, right hand side. Everything is just placed perfectly, and I loved generating images in here. So I'm thinking to generate videos in here. Okay, so this is a video panel. Okay, this is a video generation panel, and I have generated a couple of videos previously. So here we have like models over here. Then we have resolution. Then we have aspect ratio, the sizes which you want. Then we have composition, upload your videos. Then we have camera. Then we have motion over here for sure, whatever you want, like zoom in effect, zoom out effect. So you can try these kind of effects in your videos as well. Then we have style in the end. You can try any style you want. Like I love creating movies and I've also created one previously, but I have used like different AI tools back then. It was not Adobe Firefly for sure, but I can do it now, I think, in here. I'm actually going to try something which related to product, like it's a perfume or luxury perfume bottle or something. I'm going to have VO3 and I think resolution 720 is fine for me. And then we have it for like 6 seconds is fine. 6 seconds is fine for me. I don't want any audio in it. This is actually a product advertisement prompt. So now I'm gonna hit generate. Okay, let's see the kind of results we get for video generation. I think I do generate videos in different type of AI tools and different type of AI models, but I try to find something which gives me like a high quality and amazing results. Not bad at all. I think in terms of quality, we can improvise this. The video, like I have kept resolution 720. So of course, if you want like 1080 pixel, you can select that and you can get that effect. Now let's try one more prompt in here. So I'm actually gonna try something different prompt in here. So now I'm just gonna hit generate in here and we have a result in here. Can you see this? Wow, I love it. I feel like I'm watching a movie. I can actually create movie in this one. I can actually create like a short movie in this one. I should give it a shot and I'm gonna give it a shot. I want a cozy desk setup type of prompt in here. Cozy desk setup type of video. So I'm just gonna, and now I'm gonna hit generate. It's not bad at all. It's not at all bad. It's actually looking very, very realistic. I would say it's looking amazing. I'm really impressed with the kind of results this particular stuff giving me. I think really, really nice. Really, really nice. I really liked it. I think you can do a lot of things in here. You can apply motions, different types of motions you want. You can apply different types of style in here. So it's all there. You just have to go and explore it. It's all there. Now, if we go back and see, if we go a little down, you can see there are a lot of different things in here, right? We have a lot of different things. Okay, we have like you can actually generate speech in here as well, and you can also generate voice, sound effect, whatever you want. Okay, and you can apply that in your video or in your image. So let's go ahead and explore like generate speech. Okay, and I'm just gonna quickly write like something very very simple. I'm just gonna write it over here like, so this is a thing which I want someone to speak. Okay, this is the thing I want someone to say. Okay, so I have written like, hi, how can I help you? Hope you are having a great day. Okay, now here we have on the left hand side, as you can see, we have some options over here. We have Brittany, we have Ashwin, we have Jessica, Erin, Jennifer. Okay, so I think I'm gonna select. I think I'm gonna select Brittany in here. And I think we have speed also. You want it in US, you want which language you want them to say this. Okay, I want this in English only. So I'm going to select English. Then we have a speed over here. Then we have a pitch over here. So I think I'm just going to keep the pitch normal, a little bit faster, but normal. And now I'm going to select generate. Okay, let's see the kind of results we get for this one. Okay, so we have the results. Let's play.
Hi, how can I help you? Hope you are having a great day.
It's good. It's really good.
Hi, how can I help you? Hope you are having a great day.
Actually download this from over here. You can actually download it from over here and you can apply this anywhere you want. Okay, actually have like your entire script over here. You can actually write your entire short movie script here and you can actually have a narrator voice from here. You can do so many things in Adobe Firefly. Then we have boards over here. So like in boards you can actually generate and do like so many things in here. Suppose I'm just gonna create a board over here, and this is the board I have, and I want to generate some images in here, for example. Okay, and I want this. I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna. Be a portrait. Portrait is fine for me, right? I want this in 2K. 2K is fine. And then we're just gonna hit generate. You can do a lot of things at once. You can generate a lot of things in here and look at the results. I am loving this, okay? I think this is so beautiful. This image is so beautiful. So you can generate more images like this in here as well. And then when you select it, like you can keep the style, you can keep the subject, and then we have an add option over here. You can actually remove, expand. You can do so many things in here, like so many things. You can actually edit text in image. You can convert this image into video. You can actually you can convert this image into 3D as well. So that option is also there. And then we have upscale option, of course. You can actually upscale the image quality in here. Then we have crop image, and then we have download. And then we have more option where you can actually open this image into Adobe Express as well, where you can actually add some sort of copy, or you can actually do some sort of editing. Whatever you want to do, you can do it over there. You can open it in Photoshop also, Illustrator also, wherever you want to open it. And I think it's actually generating all the similar images for this one, the glowing forest image. There's property over here on the right hand side. Then we have history over here. Whatever you have created, you can see over there. Then we have search option over here, where we have a lot of different things. You can find inspiration over here if you want inspiration. And as you can see, there are so many images over here. You can just drag the image in here, and it's just gonna be here, and you can use this image. So that's the thing, you can have a lot of inspirations over here. Then we have comment option. If you want to add some comments over here, or if you want to share this with your friends or anything. And on the left hand side, you can see we have artboard, we have text, we have shapes over here. If you want to add some shapes in here or anything like that, then we have add content over here. You can add images. You can add images or anything you want to add from your devices. So that's pretty easy, okay? It's all the other related images in here ready. Oh my god. Look at those images. They are so, so beautiful. Amazing images. I feel like I just want to download all of them. I think it's completely depend on how you generate things in here, okay? It's completely depend on how you do things in here, okay? It's not all hard. We have a quick action in here. As you can see on the left hand side, we have a quick action. Here we have all the stuff. Here they have all the stuff which you can use in your daily life, in your daily routine, okay? You can remove background, crop background, anything, crop image, remove background, anything you want to do, you can do it in here. And it's amazing. Like for the images, they have all these options. For the videos, they have all these options. So it's actually amazing. You can do a lot of things in here, and it's like it's actually impossible to cover each and everything in the video, okay? Then you have gallery also, as I mentioned previously. You can see all the stuff which people have created in Adobe Firefly. So that's it about it. And I think Adobe Firefly is actually a very, very useful tool, and I do use it and make something out of it. And I think nobody can actually teach you the entire tool, because it's all about how you actually use it, because every individual person is using a particular tool differently. It depends on your creativity, what kind of creativity you have. On that basis only, you're going to create something on these kind of tools, right? This Adobe Firefly came up, I was like, yes, I want to use it. Yes, I want to explore it. Yes, I want to see how many things they are actually offering in here and what all things we have. Okay? And with that, I really hope that you learn something from this video, and I really hope that you get some ideas from this video, that how you can actually get your work done on these kind of tools which are available in the market. With that, I would end this video, and I hope you find this video useful, and I hope you have learned something from this video. Don't forget to take care of yourself, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.